Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute hairstyle in minutes. This wig is from YGwigs. It is a closure unit. It came pre-colored, so I didn't have to do much to it, but pop it on, pop some curls in it, and call it a day. So if you're interested in how I got this look and how I feel about this hair, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, liking this video, checking the description box for all the tea on this hair from YGwigs, and keep watching. Hey guys, as you can see, I started off this tutorial semi-decent today. So all I have to do is put on my wig, and I do have a closure unit from YGwigs, and it is a pre-colored unit. So it's like a highlighted brown, blonde, ombre situation. The color is more concentrated in the front, and it's more of an ombre in the back, and it has some rooting, which makes it very wearable. Okay, so when I put this on against my skin tone, I was like, ooh, it is giving bomb blonde shells. So all I had to do was spray underneath my lace, lay it down, and put my lace paste elastic band on, let it sit for about 15 minutes. And I like to kill two birds with one stone. So while my lace is laying, I like to start styling my hair. So that's what you're going to see me doing in a few. And I just did some curls because I was like, the length is giving curls, and I honestly haven't done like a middle part in curls in a while. I've been doing like the side parts and the straights and the this and that, so it's trying to bring it on back. So for my curls, all I used was my curling iron from TJ Maxx. It's by the brand, ooh, get it together, Tasha, by the brand Bar. I will try to look for it, but you know how things are in TJ Maxx, typically a hidden gem, and if I find it online, it's probably going to be more than what it was in TJ Maxx. But anyways, yeah, I'm just smoothing out the hair. This hair was super easy. I kid you not, I bleached the knots and plucked this like an hour before filming, and it dried and it looked great. So this is a super easy wig. I would say it's very beginner friendly. You didn't have to do much plucking, and also you didn't really have to bleach the knots, but I just am who I am, and I like things a certain way, so that's what I did. And yeah, I also really like that even though it's like this honey brown blonde, they decided to do like lighter blonde in the front. It gives it more dimension, and it just looks a lot better to me. I like dimension in my hair. I don't like flat colors unless it's like, you know, regular black color or whatever. So just cutting my lace, and I did my baby hairs kind of different, kind of because I ripped the lace, you guys. That was my fault. I was being a little rough, but I did my baby hairs a little different. You guys know I never do it in the front, like the swoop in the middle. But I kind of did it like that. But I'll probably style it different next time or something, or just cut that baby hair part off and just kind of like start over. But you do get a lot of parting space. This is a 5x5 closure, which is my favorite kind of closure to work with. I don't prefer 4x4s. They work, but 5x4s are gems. You can make them look like frontals. You can do a little side part. You can do a little flip over. You can do anything with 5x5. So I really like 5x5 closures. So I'm just playing with it right now basically, and figuring out what I want to do, if it's laying, and then I'm going to go ahead and style. I'm going to speed through the curling because you guys have seen that before. If you guys have any questions, ask me below. I always answer, okay? I always talk to you guys because I love you guys. But yeah, that was pretty much it, and I just combed it out, you guys, and my makeup was already done. So when I was finished, I was like, wow, like I'm done. This literally took me maybe 30 minutes, like maybe. As you can see, my footage was super short, so that's a great thing. So make sure you guys check out YGwigs. I will leave all their information down in the description box, especially for this particular wig. I'm sure they have a sale going on or something going on soon, so be on the lookout if you're interested in this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy.
Baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you because you're fine. Making up a day for you. Sweet baby, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna let you out. Take me for a ride. Show me why I'm sorry. Know it's been a while, but I wanna let you out. I wanna drive you crazy. Fucking it up like oopsie daisy. Ain't no way for him but some babies. Don't be developing that shit like you lazy. I need you to pull up in that shit like you skating. Ain't a hold up on my shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit had you wildin'.
turn me round. Treat me like a rock, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's mine, and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I can do it all. I can probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you so long. You ready to down low like bombs? Away, boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see the person. Believe me.
Can't just get